Yeah, looks like we are live. Perfect. Okay, let me just reduce the volume. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a few more people to join in and we're gonna start, okay guys? And what we will be doing is going through Western. Not really going through Western, but we'll be trying to implement the project that we have been working on. Context Pilot RS. I played some background music by the way, so that you guys can just chill around and enjoy, and hopefully the construction music that will fade away with this, and not fade away really, but it will be dominated. I hope so, but we'll see. Cool. Let me start my Zilij as well. Okay, let's see what do we have. Let's lock it as well. So far the progress we have made. Okay, I will need another cargo build release. I think let's also have a new tab. Yeah, let's just go and make sure that we have a new tab. Okay, yeah. All right, over here what do we have? Let's just cargo build release. There was an error, right? Yeah, let's just try to fix it before we go in. Cool. Alright guys, if you're joining you can say hi. I hope my voice is fine. You guys can hear me and the background music is also okay. I hope it's not very loud. It's no copyright. I hope there'll be no copyright as well, but you never know. Life is fun. Yeah, this is one thing that we have to figure out, right? So this problem over here is that I'm trying to call recursion in an async function requires boxing. A recursive async function must be rewritten to return a boxed dynamic feature. Cool, let's just take a look at this, right? Alright guys, and if you're here you can say hi. Don't hesitate, okay? Hey, hi. Is my voice fine? Is the background good? I wanted to avoid the voice that comes from construction, so I just put some no copyright music. Hopefully there'll be no strikes, so we'll be fine. All good? Nice. I really wish that we were allowed to play some Bollywood music while working on YouTube. I think that would have been crazy. Or if I was a singer, I would have done it. Yeah, let's just get this working first. So what over here, what they're saying is basically async recursion for async functions. It's a trait I see. Last update was 5 months ago, so it looks like they're still maintaining it. That's good, right? And okay, I think that's possible. I'm not sure, but I've seen streamers on YT do it sometimes. I don't know, yeah. At least like maybe you can stream, but you can't put that video again on YouTube. That's for sure. Or maybe you'll get copyright strike depending on who owns the video, right? Who owns the music. So there's some people who don't keep an eye on it, but T-Series might. I'll have to check. I see people playing YouTube videos on Twitch, for example. Right, so they do that. I was just wondering if we can do it as well. I want to try. If Twitch allows it, to be honest, I'm very happy to just stream on Twitch and play some music. I've done it before. On Twitch, it was never an issue for sure. Because you can just, all it will do is it will kind of hide your video. Which is, I'm fine with it, right? Like, I just want to stream and I want to play some songs in the background. We can do it, yeah. Cool, so what do they do? It's fine on Twitch. Yeah, I think it's fine on Twitch, yes. I just thought I should stream on YouTube today and see how many people can we have on YouTube streams, just to have a comparison. Although it's not a fair comparison to make. But yeah, let's just see. Also FYI, I will be traveling next month. So I'll be away for around 2 months. So what I plan is, first of all, yes, I'll still be streaming through my laptop though. So I'll not have my mic and I'll not have my monitors anymore with me, but I'll have my keyboard. So stream quality on Twitch might be slightly lesser than what it used to be now, or maybe it can be better depending on Mac hardware. That's first news. And second is, of course, I'll start writing more blogs and record more videos since I'm away. I think that will help. Yeah. So use async recursion. If I use this, where are you going? I'm going to Hyderabad for work. So I'll be going to Hyderabad for 1.5 months. I'll be working from there in their office, and then I'll be coming back. So I'll be going to Singapore after that for a week, and then I'll be coming back to India. So it's a fair bit of travel. And last week of this month, I'm going to Jaipur. So I think, yeah, still a lot going on. All right. So nice. Thank you. How are you doing, by the way? What's your and I'm not asking you for formality, right? You can be honest if you want. How's everything with you? What's up? Oh, I need to respond to a few people as well. I have not done it. Okay. Am I all right? Okay. Nice. So async recursion cargo add. No, I don't. I want to do it manually. What's the? Is it hyphen? Okay. Async recursion equal to I want. Okay. The latest version is what? Version is 1.0.5. Yeah. That's what happens, right? When you use ChatGPT, when it's trained on. At least don't use ChatGPT for versioning. Right. Cool. Now what's the problem? I thought it's the... By the way, I want to change one thing. Yeah, I think I should do one small thing over here. So far what I'm doing with my keyboard is right. I'm having this as control, which is kind of paining me a lot. I want to swap it, and I want to have this as control. When tapped, I want to have control. No, not when held, no. No, when tapped. What? You know, we used to call it strull when we were before, like young, very young. We thought it's strull. It's kind of crazy. Good old times. And this I don't need to be... I think I'm fine with this as for now. Let's try Alt. No, let's try Alt for now. And let's see how this goes. Because I'm still figuring out a few things here and there. This might work better for me, I believe. And over here, I would want this as... I don't need this first of all. And this can just be home for me. Because sometimes I want to go back. And this can be mute for me. And this can be... I want end. Because sometimes I'm in a line, I'm there, right? So I want home and end. So I think all this still difficult, but we'll see. Okay, this is fine. So far, Alt is here. Anyways, I should not be using this Alt. Shift is here. Shift is here. This is fine. Symbols, what else is there? Can I optimize or anything else? Looks fine so far. I think it's fine. What's the difference here? Okay. I don't think I need moment layer anymore, so that's fine. Let's just get rid of it. Alright, so this is done. Save to my keyboard. I'll connect. So what do you have to do generally is pick up a... I need to find... Yeah, there you go. So I have something for this. It's simple, right? The way you use for your SIM card. You have to insert that into the reset space that they have. And once that is done, you're done. Cool. There you go. Connect. Alright, I'm gonna pair my keyboard now, so my keyboard is gonna be silent for some time. And let's hope it will work. Yeah, I think it's eventually for good though. What I'm doing, it's gonna be slightly difficult for me. But I keep doing this, right? Very often. I do this quite a lot. Cool. So this is okay. Need to remind myself that this is control. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Alright, so this async recursion, right? What about it? Okay, I need to, okay. Can I just have an autocomplete, sir? Do you have autocomplete there? No, right? Okay. I can just add it here, use async recursion. Async recursion. Although I'm very curious, how do they make it work? We'll see, we'll see. I don't think we should dive too much into it right now. Cool. So let's see if there are any errors. Oh wow, all the errors are gone. Alright, I'm kind of excited. Let's just see. Cargo build release. Dot target release. Okay. Unable to deserialize. Result unwrap. db.rs 139 line, is it? What are you trying to read there? db.rs 139, right? So is it 139? Mapping.json. Yeah. What's wrong there? Oh, okay. It's trying to create a mapping for everything. Yeah. So over here, what I'm doing eventually, like I'll go through, right? By the way, you don't know me if you're here. Do you know how do I disable this thing? So if you see this automatic collapsing that's happening here in NeoVim. How do I disable this? Are you aware? I don't know if we discussed this yesterday or not, but yeah, if you know, I would appreciate you. I mean, I would appreciate if you can give some pointers. Perfect. Okay, small thing. So this is failing on mapping.json is probably because I'm creating a JSON. I don't use collapse. Yeah, exactly right. And I don't know how to get rid of it. Okay, maybe one day. I just think that it's possible that it's because of. Okay. Sometimes much better. Alright, yeah. So what do we have here, right? This thing, right? Let's just disable this for now. No, no, this is not a plugin, I'm pretty sure. It's definitely some option that's coming up. No, it's not because of that for sure. Yeah. It's code folding or something, right? I think it came up with, initially they came up with all these things in. Hey, hi Dharam. Good afternoon. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. It is folds basically. Yes, exactly right. But I don't know what this does, to be honest. Hi Dharam. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Welcome. How are you doing? How's everything? This is the first time in the chat. Welcome. Yeah, I can take a look. Okay. Oh, I'm in the wrong repository, is it? Okay, there's so many problems with this noise and notify. NVim Lua user auto commands.lua. What else is there? LSP attached. This is fine. This is what I wanted. Silent buffer, queue close. This is fine. This all I've deleted. I've gotten rid of visual timeout text yank post. Why do I have it here first of all? Okay, but that wasn't relevant. Okay, I don't have anything. Oh, you have seen my recordings. Thank you so much. How has it been? Any feedback from me? Have you been liking the content so far? They're good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. Much appreciated. Let's just search for, do I have fold? Where I have fold? init.lua, lia.lua, no. User options.lua, that's fine. Could this be this? No, right? This is pretty fold. Yeah, no, I don't think so. Okay. Let's quickly search on Google maybe and see. Just open Google. NeoVim. Disable collapse. I remember because this is a feature that, I mean, yeah, makes sense that why they are calling it feature, folding feature. And this was different, yeah. This is not really folding. Not really. VS Code like. There's this thing called VS Code like collapse in NeoVim while scrolling. Yeah, this thing, right? Why don't I have folds if it automatically enabled? Oh, you have automatically. No, I mean it's not automatically enabled for sure, but it's a feature that NeoVim has. That's what I'm saying. At least that's what I remember, because I don't know, yeah. What was it? Sticky scroll. Yeah. Yes, right. So this sticky scroll was a thing, right? If you see, yeah, this thing. Yeah. Oh God, why do they even have it? Yes. So how do I disable sticky scroll? Yes, I manually fold sometimes using the key bindings, but I've never seen it folding automatically. Yeah, I think here, right? So it's coming from NeoVim presetter context. I see. Show code context. Why do they have a separate? Yeah, sorry, I think I just remembered that it was something from NeoVim. Okay, turns out to be presetter context. Yeah, sorry bro, you have to get rid of me. Or I have to get rid of you, more like that. Init Lua, am I calling this thing anywhere? Context, anywhere it is? No. You could use nvim.navic or something than this. Yeah, I mean, that's there, right? I believe that I have it or not. I don't know. I used to have it before, but yes. Cool, this should be solved now. Yeah. No more weird context on the top that I don't need right now. I know that people might need it, but honestly, I don't need it. Cargo build. Okay. Let's just get the error again. Yeah. All right. So what's the problem over here, right? What's really the issue? Hello. Hi, Navras bhai. What's up? Thank you so much for joining. Kya hal chal? Hello. Guys, please welcome Navras bhai. He has been the moderator of the channel since the beginning, along with Mohit. There are only very few people who have been here. So thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Navras bhai, can I play music on YouTube while live streaming? Can I play background music like Bollywood or something? Or will I get copyright? Just trying to figure out small thing tab tak. Yes, so I think this is where it's going wrong, right? I'm initializing having dinner. Oh, it's late for you, right? Enjoy your dinner. Only NCS, no copyright music. Or in strike. Easy. Should I get... Okay, so this is what's going wrong, by the way, here. No, why is it looking for mapping.json in that git hooks file? What are you eating, by the way, bhai? What are you having for dinner today? And okay, I think... Oh, yeah. I'm passing entry path over here, right? That's wrong. I should always be passing... This is workspace path. Let's also have a default folder path, right? And for now, I think we can have path buff here, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pass the workspace path here. No, I'm gonna keep passing default folder path here, like this. Yeah. Same with here. I don't know you, you don't know me. It's a unique name. Butter paneer. Oh wow. Play. How does it work? I don't know how to use headphones. I'm too poor to use these headphones, man. Okay. I want to come to India. कब आ रहे हो आप? When are you coming to India? I know you don't know me. It's so bad. When are you coming, bhai? Why is it expecting? Oh no, it's calling index file, right? That's different. Diwali after 3 years. Oh wow. So you're coming now? Is it? This year Diwali finally. Wow, congratulations. Welcome, 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 bhai. So what's the plan? Shadi kab kar rahe ho? When are you getting married? When's the marriage? We will meet for sure. अरे बिल्कुल. जब भी whenever you book tickets, let me know. Very happy to meet you finally. We haven't met yet. I found a girl, but it's too complicated. Did you find a girl in Canada? Yeah. Oh wow. Is she Indian? I mean, if she is an Indian, it's still fine. No, okay. Is she Pakistani? Gaddar? करके देखो आप शादी पाकिस्तानी से. मैं भी देखता हूँ इंडिया कैसे आते हैं वापस. It's complicated, yeah. It can only be complicated if Indians marry with someone from Pakistan. Otherwise, I don't think आपके लिए it's gonna be complicated. Why is it complicated? I thought you are. I mean, I think you are okay, right? But maybe your family is not okay with her. Is that the thing? Well, marriage is generally complicated, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, that's the thing. Marriage is complicated. I see. Why is it complicated, my friend? Oh, this is the problem. Okay, I just need to get rid of this again. So do you love her, but it's complicated because marriage is complicated? Or is it complicated because you don't know what to do? I mean, because you're complicated. You are confused about her. Or is it because marriage is complicated? This question itself is very complicated, right? Family issues. That's where everything stops now. Her side. Oh, not your side. Okay. I see. You and your name is complicated. Oh my. Bro. Mr. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't know what else to say, bro. I'll just make sure that my parents know about this. Thank you so much. Because they need to know. I can't do much about it. Family issues from her side. Yeah, I mean, just go and talk to their family. It's gonna be fine, bhai. They'll like you, I'm pretty sure. Yeah? Yes. So you just go and talk and it will be fine. Is Shrimali your family name? Yes, it's my family name, yeah. I'll tell you later. Everything happened unexpectedly. Yeah, I mean, good things happen unexpectedly as well, right? So hope for the best. Ta-da! Right? You go, girl. You go, boy. Get married soon. अब तो आपकी उम्र हो गई. How? What? No, you are still young, na? What? You're 27? But she is a gem. हाँ हाँ. Why not? आपके लिए सारी लड़कियां अभी तक gem ही रही हैं भाई. To be honest. You're 26. अभी तो बहुत टाइम है यार. I'm 25. हाँ, it's true. आपके लिए हर लड़की रवि भाई. She is really good. And then लड़कों के लिए everyone is good क्या? My mom likes her. Oh, is it? That's the ideal stage to be in, right? It's good to know. So what are you thinking about? Just go get her. Okay, I just want to try this, by the way. Is it because I'm not using spawn here? I mean, if your mom likes her, things are pretty much... but as you said, problems are not from your side, right? So it's mostly her family that needs to accept you, is it? Should I just call... This is to be file set, right? I can have 2 sets here. Let mute files. Set task. Join set string equal to task. Join set new. Yeah, I can have file set here. Set, yes, right. I understand. It's gonna be difficult for you, I see. But I trust you. You'll take the right call. But आपको time है ना? Are you planning to get married now? Like 26 पे? Is she younger than you, if I can ask? Like, is it like she has some constraints? Ki nahi, I want to get married as soon as possible. Is it like that? Okay, for this over here. No, after 3 years. Acha. So बहुत time है भाई. I mean, I understand though you want to think about whether there is a future or not, right? You don't want to just be casual about it. I understand, but you have 3 years to talk to their parents and make sure that they... Oh wow, next year. Where is she from? Is she from Canada? Is she from Afghanistan? Is she from... Where is she from? Definitely not Afghanistan though, I guess. I'll tell you on call. Okay. Aram se. Yeah. Sorry. Too many personal questions on stream, right? But nobody watches my stream, so you're all good. Ouch. It hurts. Let mute. Yeah, you watch. You're the only guy who watches my streams, bro. Earlier, I used to think that even people watch on YouTube, but that's no more true. I'm gonna stalk you. It's very hard to stalk this guy, by the way, Navras Maiko. He is everywhere, but he's nowhere. If that makes sense. Crazy person. He vanishes like anything, and then he comes back ekdam se. Can't find anything. Go try it. No, you can. I can share details with you. You don't know me. Don't worry about it. You're gonna win this challenge. No, but jokes apart, bhai. Good for you that at least you found someone, right? I think that's the biggest challenge, right? To be able to find someone who you love and who is good for you, right? I don't think it's that easy. What's the problem now? What's your problem? Ah, okay. I can just do this space bar. Nice song. Nobody watches you because because this timing is cursed, lol. I bet you would have got more viewers if you streamed late 7 p.m. Yeah, I would. I mean, this stream is mostly to just kind of code and just get things done right. More not for viewers, to be honest. But yeah, good to have you at least. I think everything is already written in our destiny. Yeah, but you need to put efforts for it, right? You can't just. So I'm happy that you put efforts to find someone, to be honest. Like, look at me. I'm single. I haven't made efforts to find someone. It doesn't work for me. It's really the hard work that you put in to go out and talk to people, I guess. Yeah? What's obviously it is so hard, yeah. It's not so easy at all. So push Ashfish, stop G. Okay, no, okay, listen, okay, hear me out. What does G mean? Okay, yesterday also you said this thing that haircut is G. By the way, Nawaz bhai, mera haircut kaisa hai? Do I look nice? It took me 6 months. Oh wow. It नवरस भाई मेरा माइक इज गुड क्या? फुल स्क्रीन दिखाओ. मैं नहीं दिखा रहा फुल स्क्रीन. दिस इज नॉट गुड. To be honest, I don't even know what top G means. But is it good or bad? Like, do you know the... Andrew Tate thing is okay. भाई तुम इतने में से कैसे देखूंगा? अब दिख रहा है? Can you see me now? Okay, enough of me looking at myself. Sorry, I get very nervous looking at myself. I don't think I'm made for... It's good, better than before. Oh, thank you. Ta-da! The thing is, I'm from the border, right? So, I mean, I've been born and brought up on very close to the border. So I'm very... And given my parents and all, I think I really like military cut kind of thing. So, yeah, हाथ पर क्या पहना है? This is for elbow support. So I have a lot of pain on my elbows because of sitting on a chair and putting my hands on the rest. So I need to cover. I broke arms from... Yeah, that's also true. So I broke a lot of things while playing badminton. So yeah, I played yesterday as well. I have to go today as well. I've been playing a lot of badminton recently. I'm trying to lose weight, guys. It's difficult. It's difficult to lose weight. My back is gone, is it? Yeah. Sitting is... I mean, if you're doing a lot of sitting, you need to do exercise. You need to take care of yourself बहुत ज़्यादा. I think it's with every job for sure there are pros and cons, right? But why is it failing? Cannot borrow star self as mutable more than once at a time. Where am I? Oh, because it's a reference. But do I need self here? I don't need self here, right? This can just be without self if I'm not wrong. I lost 12 kg here. I'm doing 2 jobs. Is it? Wow. Damn. That's a lot. And this also doesn't need to be... What are you doing? What kind of jobs are you doing, bhai? Okay, this is done. Where is it called though? Here, right? What are the errors? Yeah, over this, right? I can just replace it with... server. Cool. Any errors? Okay. Okay, yeah, because that's a reference, right? Missing mom's food. Oh, yeah, आप आइए. But आपको cooking आती है? Do you know cooking? Just gonna pass the ownership here. Honestly, I can get rid of clone here because that's the last time I'm using it in this function, right? So it will work. I'm financial analyst full time and I'm salary manager at McDonald's 30 hours part time. Oh wow. Yeah, that's a lot. I mean, going outside of your comfort zone, that's what it teaches you, right? Because you learn a lot. That's for sure. Yeah, like I mean, it's not like you cannot learn in India, but let's say going outside will be different for you because you'll be like going there and just trying a few things. Okay, I need to get rid of ignoring people. Okay, I need to do Rust Club. I learned so many things getting out of your comfort zone. Yes, exactly, right? Like when you talk to people, when you learn different traffic rules, for example, right? That's what I learned. Just moving, understanding that, okay, India mein ye traffic rules hai, bahar ye hai. Walking 5 kilometers in -30. Oh wow, yeah, that's... It's not like you have to have, like, you have to do it. Not everyone needs to do it. If they're happy in India, they can do it here as well. There's struggles in India as well, right? But going outside, if you are going, making sure that you make the best use of it is important. I'm not scared of anything. Nice. Are you scared of talking to different people? Yes, that makes sense. Yeah. Different culture, seeing different things. It's similar to, right, like even in India, if you travel from Rajasthan to Karnataka, it was a different thing for me, right? Because language differences there, culture differences there, food differences there, right? But that doesn't mean that I can't learn how they live and what kind of things they eat and all, right? So I think it's always what 179. What? Why is it 139, right? Oh, that's SRCDB. 179. 139. Someone correct me next time. Okay. What's happening here? Mapping data. Yeah, we are not able to reslice it. So what's the mapping data though? I think just the mapping data is incorrect because of the kind of files that I'm having. Yeah, this is wrong. But doing everything alone, trusting yourself, be kind to yourself. Yes. Basically, that's it, right? Like, I think that's what matters the most. I think I'm creating db file index unwrap all. Where am I creating the mapping file? So where I'm doing this mapping file, right, this thing is getting incorrect because I think it's because of race condition, and that's what happens when you read a single file from multiple threads, right? You need to have mutex for it, I guess. Mapping.json. Fine index is here. No, not relevant. But what do you call it? Mapping JSON, right? I don't have a path, but I thought it's a constant that I'm using. Unable to deserialize. When am I deserializing it? Here. Okay. Come on, Kush, you can do it. So I'm doing std.fs read to string, right? And when is this happening? It's happening in find index. Okay. So when is it called? Okay, yeah. So basically, whenever you do initdb, right, you call find index, right? But in that case, what you need to do is you need to make sure that it's available for you to be called. So when is initdb called, right? It's only called over here. Yeah. And is there anywhere else is it called? Oh, it's called in server index file as well. Oh no, you don't need to do this. Yeah. Yeah, you should not be doing. Okay, bhai, I'll talk to you soon. It's 2 a.m. already. Miss you. Okay, same way, bhai. Thank you so much for hopping here. Have a great night. Good night. Sleep well. And thank you so much for joining. And thank you so much for all your support with this channel. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye. Okay. What else is here? Start is here. Okay. Why was I calling it here in index file? Bye bye. Love you too. Bye. Okay, cargo build release target. Yeah, okay, let me delete context by db again. Yeah, come on guys, is it nice? Yeah, well done everyone, great work. Ta-da. Yes, let's go. Ouch. Bro, it failed. Why did it fail? What? It failed if I call it again. Never be happy. Never ever be happy. There's nothing like don't be happy too soon and all. Just don't be happy at all. Okay, what's the problem though? DB file path. Okay, so it's a DB. It's okay. I think, yeah, I'm not writing to the DB right now. That's why. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. 0.json is empty because I've not written anything to DB. So come on, guys. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done, everyone. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, girls. Thank you, boys. Thank you. And great work. You don't know me for being here. Cool. Yeah, this is good. Great stuff. Yeah. This is done, girls. I do this, bro, while working. Like, thank you, girls. Thank you. But there are no girls in the office, so it is what it is. Have you ever checked channel stats for female? Oh no. There are no girls at all, bro. I don't even need to check. I know. I have checked multiple times though. Just not as in. See, again, my thing is, I can't comment on it because we all know the reason, right? But in their defense, how many boys are there? There's one guy watching my stream right now. Chalo, even in AMA, how many boys watch my stream? 12, right? And for girls to come, it's like 100:1, right? If 100 boys will come, there'll be maybe one girl to make you happy. No, it's all good, bro. I'm happy with any legit person watching my stream who wants to learn. I'm happy with them. Just that's it. I don't need female following, or maybe I already have it. No, I don't. Cool, yeah, that's good. I'm happy that this worked, by the way. Let's just push it to. Let's be like this for 1 second, guys. My back is paining, so I'm like, you get. I'll just add it to tracking. Can you hear me, right? You can hear me now. Use async recursion and fix many bugs. Yeah, it works so far. Just need to. Okay, no, I don't need to put long commit message. Cool, man. This is good. What? Why did it fail? Wrong password? What? Git push. Where can I find the draft for this? Oh, hi, sorry. I should be sitting properly. I didn't know that people are watching me. I'm sorry. I can share the PR link. 1 second. I'll just push it. Generally, I'm not a YouTuber at all, so I don't know how to. Why? What's missing? Oh, I just updated the branch. That's why this change, and that's why I see that was failing. Makes sense. Yeah, I can share the link with you. By the way, FYI guys, whoever is here, they can join our Discord channel. We are mostly talking about everything there, so just feel free to join there as well. And let me share. Let me just open the PR as well for you. Give me 1 second if you can wait, please. I'm just gonna get rid of this. Okay. Yeah, this is it. Git push. I can do this now. Perfect. Ta-da! Congratulations everyone, this is done, and now time to show you the PR, right? You wanted to see this? Here you go. Ta-da! This is there. Okay. Yeah, there you go, right? Hope you like the content so far. It's 425 lines already. But anyways, it's gonna decrease a lot of code, I'm pretty sure. Good to hear, good to hear. Good stuff so far, man. Good stuff. Hard work pays off, is it? This is not relevant though, I think this will go. So yeah. Depends, we'll keep a binary, we'll keep a server, we'll see how it goes. But the only thing that I see right now is... No, it's fine, right? Let me delete the DB again. Yeah, I think it's... You just need to profile it against a sync version of it and see how this goes, right? Cool. Alright, I think that was good for today's stream. We did accomplish a few things, right? Let's also just make sure. Yeah, just keep it simple, and please see hashtag what was the issue. Yeah, for more details on the design. Things are being streamed at YouTube, youtube.com, Kushal right? Or Twitch. Perfect. So this is done. This is done. Cool. Perfect. All right. By the way, I want to check. I don't understand most of the stuff, but I'll take a look. Feel free. I mean, as I said, that's a good thing that you don't understand most of the stuff, because if you want to learn, that means you have got something to learn about, right? So yeah, I will hold an AMA tomorrow, so we can talk more about it if you want. Where are we at right now? DB sharding. Yeah, we need to write tests as well. Unit test is there. At creation time, last modified time is something I want to do. But that's... I'm planning to get rid of Git algorithm overall and just use LLMs now. So I will consider doing this. Yeah. This, I think configurator needs a huge overhaul. So let's work on the configurator next time, guys, because it's important that users get an option to change. And I don't want it to be a JSON file. I would like it to be a module in Lua, and for them to import and be able to get the autocompletes in. Right? Because in JSON you can have anything you want as a key, and then you say that, oh, it's not working. I would really like some structure to it, right? So we'll see what's the best configurator choice for us, and we'll go with that. Good stuff, guys. Come on. All right. Fully Rust. I will configure it one day for sure. Next thing I want to do today is probably... What's the time? Oh, it's already 1 o'clock, is it? Okay. Alright. Anything else you guys want to talk about, or I think I can hop off and meet you again later on? Any notifications? There was a comment on Reddit that You Don't Know Me showed. There are more likes to this than this. A bunch of people upvoted there too. This thing, right? Yeah, honestly, I think... See... Nice song. You guys want to hear? And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Cool, okay. What are you saying? This sub isn't the best sub to learn anything, to be honest. What do you mean by sub? it is all just ends and Billy, I take my job. Oh, this thing, this subreddit, is it? Okay. Yeah, I mean, subreddit, I mean, yeah. Why are they even asking about this opinion on this? Do they even know? See? See? This shit talking about everything, I guess. Wake me up when this session ends. Come on, dude, just work hard. Stop blaming the company, guys. Come on. I mean, that's not in your hands, right? You just need to work hard and that's it. Whatever happened will happen, right? I've been laid off before. I know how it feels. I'm not like, I don't, it's not like I'm not giving empathy, but if you have a good profile, if you're in the top 5%, people are looking out for good people, right? There are still developers getting hired here and there. If not, at least you got a break for 1 month, practice, maybe apply for higher studies if you want. If you don't have money, go for scholarship. There's no point ranting about it. That's all my thing, right? You see, why do you want to let it be? Just scrolling through it kind of makes me feel bad about the this generation. Hush. I want to read through Tree Sitter one day. I want to understand how it works and what kind of things it provides, right? Why is it useful? Why is it good? And all these things. Let's do this thing one day. Let's go through. So good for people to come up and say that I want to maintain, right? This is good. They have also, even Hyperlink config has a tree sitter parser. Wow. Good to know, yeah. Is it here as well? Like, is it? Oh, this is Hyperlang. Okay. They made their own config language called Hyperland. Oh, Hyperlang. Oh, this is what you mean? Hyperlang grammar from. Oh. Nerds, I tell you. You know, they end up doing things. He's a third year CS student, see? That's what I've been talking about, guys. You know, just try to compare a third year CS student outside versus India. I don't know. I've not compared before, but just try comparing. I mean, of course, there are ups and downs everywhere. There are good people, there are bad people, but yeah, oh god, Hyperland is too much of configuration right now. Windows has been working fine for me so far, at least. Although I don't like it, I know, but I mean, I like it, but I don't like seeing it out loud. This was good. This has been really good for me, to be honest. The smooth scrolling has helped me a lot. Oh, they got more stars in Sway. That's good. How is it? You're using Hyperland, right? Are there any bugs that are specifically irritating? I really want to give it a try. And it looks beautiful, to be honest. What was the problem? Uh, okay, one question though. Is this config that I need to get? No Hyperland specific bugs. Those are mostly just NVIDIA, is it? Okay, I have one more question. if you don't mind. This thing that they're getting right, is it too hard to get through a config? Do you have any config that you can share with me? This is config, right? This is basically Axe shell. Okay, Axe shell, what is it? What is it? The thing is, I don't want to end up configuring a lot. Looks like a set of widgets, is it? It is a shell on the top of Hyperland, I see. Hmm. And how is Hyperland doing on NVIDIA so far? Do you know? It won't be very performant, is it? Okay. Newer cards work fine as far as I know. Do you think I should give it a try? Okay, one question though. If I do it live, if I change anything in the config, do I need to reboot my computer to see the changes? Or will it work on the go? Yeah, I mean that's what I'm thinking. I have already have Endeavor. I can try set all changes are instant. Okay. Should we try it now? I can go live on my Endeavor and try setting up. If you have time, I can do it now. Sure thing. Okay. Okay. All right, let's go, guys. I'm gonna come live in 10 minutes. I just have to set up Hyperland initial version of it so that I can stream, and I'll be back. I'll see you guys. Let's try. Let's try. What's the thing is? Yeah, I'll talk more about that in the other stream. Okay. See you soon. Okay. Bye bye.